Welcome everyone. I am Pascal Clement, founder of Percentum, and your trainer. Are you tired of these FMECA, FMECA, or RCM analysis that seem to last forever, which delivers questionable results when they do deliver something? They usually end up on a shelf picking up nothing else than dust, never to be reviewed again, because seen as a burden by anyone who has been exposed to it. Well, this is a shame, discrediting good methods and tools. Are you tired of these confusing reliability calculations, risk priority numbers, criticality that you're trying to reach with a precision of 6 digits after the dot? Like you're going to calculate the preventive maintenance periodicity to the second? Well, on the floor, preventive maintenance tasks are carried on a daily basis, weekly, most often on a monthly basis, or twice a year, every so many years, so there is no point into this irrelevant search for precision. On another note, will you wait for the stats to go up and bring the criticality to a level where you'll take care of unwanted consequences in a preventive manner? Or even worse, catastrophic ones? Well, I don't think so. When facing unwanted consequences, you want to have the right strategies in place and act accordingly. Risk priority numbers and criticality are in no way tools to be used in defining the preventive maintenance plans. So, stop fooling around with these irrelevant details and start delivering efficiently the appropriate strategies in regard to the consequences of the failure mechanism that you are facing. If you're curious to see a simpler, better way to do things, or you're looking for efficiency, to engage your people with simple, straight to the point and useful tools, embedded in a process that influences the culture of your company in a direction for success, well then this training is for you and your people. It is one of the performance-centered asset management training set, the reliability-centered maintenance tools, the RCM tools. The set of training also includes the foundational processes of asset management, the total predictive maintenance tools, the root cause analysis tools, and the reliability data analysis in-depth training. So the set of training is holistic, just as the PCAM process. The set of training is available in English or French, online, on-site, or in public session in partnership with universities in France or Canada. Support is also available through consultation services tailored to your operational context. Let's build together a sustainable and safe future. To know more, visit percentum.com. This is percentum.com. Thank you for your attention. Get on the training and do not hesitate to reach out for more info. Cheers! This was Pascal Clement, founder of Percentum. Percentum.com.